योगा से तो उसको एक्चुअली बहुत फर्क हुआ। उस दिन चटाई लेके आया है तो बोलता है मम्मी, उसी पे बैठ के सुबह ओम शांति करेगा और हुर्रे हुर्रे, और जब बोलोगे तो बोलेगा छू।
बांध के रखते थे रस्सी से, कभी साकली से, ऐसा हम लोग करे थे उसको। उतना वो करती थी, मतलब खुद के हाथों से कुछ करके लेना, नहीं जो मिला उससे मारना। एक बार 2 बार उसकी माँ को चाकू ही मारी हूँ। अभी इधर आगे याद बहुत बदलाव है वो।
Kaivalyadham is looking at studying a long-term effect of yoga on these children. There is very little study on the impact of asana, pranayam, mudras on the intellectually challenged children.
So that is why we thought about the study of introducing yoga for special children. We did the study for 5 months with 4 special children from a special school in Lonavla called Samvad Shala.
शाळेमध्ये पहिल्यांदा योगा म्हणजे काय हे मुलांना काही माहितीच नव्हतं. कशासाठी त्याचा आधी उपयोग आहे त्यांना काही कळत नव्हतं. यांनी काय फायदे होणार आहेत किंवा कसं करायला पाहिजे हे आम्ही त्यांना पहिल्यांदा ट्रेनिंग दिलं.
The results from this study were delightfully positive. The children showed improvement in their ability to listen and follow instructions accurately. They showed greater neuromotor coordination, stability of posture, etc. Still, the fun element was missing in yoga, due to which they did not really enjoy it. So we had this in mind that when planning a larger research study with such children, it will be very important to introduce yoga in such a way that these children thoroughly enjoy yoga as well as have fun with it. We thought that we should be collaborating with people and institutes who are or who have been working in this area. That is why we collaborated with Dr. Meena Ramanathan from Center for Yoga Therapy Education and Research. Dr. Meena has been working with introducing yoga for special children since 12 years. She has been using yoga as a tool for self-development and growth of these special children. She used a lot of yogic postures with animal sounds.
Are you all ready? हाँ, start, शुरू कर लो। हम सब क्या है अभी? हम सब बिल्ली है, बिल्ली।
जैसे कि मैम करवा रही थी कैट वॉइस, कैट का और डॉग्स का, और ये चिल्लाना, हंसना, तो बच्चे इसको ज़्यादा ऑब्जर्व करके मतलब ज़्यादा उसको एंजॉय कर रहे थे, मतलब कि उनका गेम के प्रति काफ़ी अट्रैक्शन था.
You cannot tell a tree or a plant or anybody else to grow in a particular way. You can just provide a particular condition. And when thinking about all these yoga projects, the conclusion that we kind of came to was that it's actually to provide the right conditions for growth.
Yoga Mela was a 2-day event for special children. It was organized by Kaivalyadham Yoga Institute in collaboration with 2 other institutes. Actually, Mela in Hindi means a fair where you can come, have fun, enjoy. Likewise, in the Yoga Mela, the children from Samvad Shala along with their teachers and family members participated, enjoyed and had fun with yoga. So we are looking at various types of collaborations. We would want people, agencies and institutions who are already working with special children to come and join hands with us in planning larger research project about investigating the efficacy of yogic practices with intellectually disabled children. Also, we would want enthusiastic and creative social scientists and psychologists to come and associate with us. We would want public and private funding agencies to support us in this endeavor. We are also looking for people in the society to come forward and support Samvad Shala in whatever way they can, be it their expertise, time, energy, social networks and or finances.